very Merry Christmas from the National Neurodivergence Team.
At Neurodivergence Wales, we value co-production, working together with neurodivergent people, families and professionals to create trusted, free, bilingual resources about neurodivergence.
We want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has contributed to our work this year, whether as part of our advisory groups, by delivering community of practice sessions for professionals, or presenting virtual advice webinars for parents and carers.
Your support makes a real difference.
As a small neurodiverse team, we're proud to collaborate with so many amazing partners.
Find out more at neurodivergencewales.org and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Blue Sky to discover exciting new resources and events in 2026.
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas!